Hi guys, what's up? So I've been wanting to do this since really long time, but I think I just didn't have the courage. And the reason why am I doing this is because I think it's really important that. So I was still on bed and I saw someone's story about Sushant Singh Rajput. I was not shocked to see the story, to be honest, but I was speechless. I was really speechless because trust me, it could be anyone, and it's really important to talk about your mental health. And I didn't wanted to come live, and I I didn't wanted to do this, to be honest, but I just I just I just couldn't control because I remember in 2019 I was in major depression, and I never spoke about it. and a lot of people thought that it's okay to be depressed, and people take it so lightly. People don't treat mental health. People don't act kind towards each other. It's just really sad. i'm 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 out of words. Today it's Sushant, and tomorrow it could be anyone. So I just want everyone to speak about their mental health issues, and you know because trust me, it's a serious thing. Last year, I swear on God, I was in a relationship with a guy, and things didn't work out with him, and we decided to part ways. And just because I wasn't strong enough to accept the fact that we were not together anymore, so I decided to part ways, and that left me hollow. That left me like it was the end of my world. And trust me, I was at a point where I tried taking my life, and but something kept fighting from inside of me. And I remember I googled that, how to not commit suicide. I literally googled this last year, and then suddenly I found this therapist number, Pal therapist. I gave him a call instantly. I told him anything, that listen, I don't want to die. I remember I was crying, and I told him I don't want to die. And I kept crying for half an hour. Just give me a second, guys. Can you leave the room for 2 minutes? And after that, he said that just let it out. Just talk to me with whatever's going on, with whatever's going on. And then I started from the beginning, and I told him everything. And I spoke to him for 3 hours that day. And trust me, I swear, if I hadn't spoke to that therapist, I wouldn't be here. So मेरा भी कोई न्यूज़ आ रहा होता है ऐसे that I've committed suicide, this and that, but no one takes depression seriously. That sucks. Most of my friends from Delhi, they thought that she's just crazy and she's stupid, she's psycho, she's not normal. But what would they know that I was fighting. I was not sorted in my head. And so all I want to say is that, guys, depression, it's a real thing. Trust me. I'm really happy in my life right now. And I mean,